call it Teal Air.
Engineering 299 is our cohort grand challenge course. It gives students an idea of what engineering is all about, who we want to design things for, why we want to solve design problems. They have to know early on that engineering is a team sport.
I was unsure when I first started the class because I'm not the biggest fan of group projects.
It was actually kind of shocking at first being introduced to this, especially like if this is like your first class, but you get kind of what it feels like to work in the engineering field.
It definitely gave me more skills with being able to communicate and project management.
We have a location across 501.
Our class was challenged by the provost to develop a delivery system using drones.
It's to solve a technical problem, but it's also to demonstrate to prospective students the potential of studying coastal engineering.
If you could have a perfect utopia of this project, what would that be?
So the perfect utopia, fully implemented, would be point-to-point delivery.
3.5 miles.
So the students have conducted a detailed feasibility study. We have 33 students enrolled in the course right now. They've been working in 11 teams of 3. Before we start coming up with ideas for how to solve it, we want to make sure we carefully understand we're solving the right problem.
I think it's very doable. I think we will exceed expectations.
It would totally be feasible that you could one day see a drone flying around and we all had a hand in helping make that happen.
I'm thoroughly impressed. I mean, as a first-year course, it's an incredible accomplishment. The indications look good that this would work at any of the scales that are planned over the next couple of years.
It was definitely very different than my other classes in the fact that it was more of I was determining the rules for this one.
You always come in with a little skepticism about whether this is for me or not, but then you get hands-on with it and you realize that, yeah, this is kind of for me.
It was exciting to get a sense of what it would be more like if I did become an engineer later on in life.
It's very comforting just to know that you have the ability to do this, and it actually kind of makes you want to move forward within your field.
It was a learning experience, but it was a positive one all in the end.